Timer, begin. So you press Effect, Blur and Sharpen, and Sharpen. This is a very simple effect, and as you can see, it only has one slider. If you put the Sharpen slider up too high, it can make a shot look way too clear, and oftentimes that level of clarity can create blurriness. Now this level of sharpening, around 700, actually can make your shot look old-fashioned, and some people actually want that, but I'm going to go down to a normal 65. Now if you look at this shot without the Sharpen, what you'll see is that it's relatively clear, because most cameras these days have a good autofocus. But if I pause it right here, you'll see it's a little bit blurry. If I turn the Sharpen on just a tad, you'll see multiple sections in the video have a level of clarity that's way better for a viewer and makes your shot look way more professional. Once again, off, on. It just adds that small level of clarity that is needed for every shot. Sharpen is very useful because it can be used to master all of your shots no matter what After Effects effect you are putting to a composition. Like always, press Effect, Blur and Sharpen, and try this for yourself.